So, ayan mga kalaring, magandang gabi. Today is, anong tawag nito? Monday, June 8, 2026. Ayan. So, aside from this, wait muna. This is a pomelo, a Davao pomelo. And this one, this small size of pomelo is very expensive. Small size. See, look at my hands. This is only how big this pomelo. So let us we peel it so that we can. I want to taste it, so we have to peel it because I want to eat pomelo tonight. Ayan. Pomelo. Davao pomelo. This is from Davao. And I bought this in the fruit stand here in our place. Okay. So this is the way pomelo look like, and I'm going to also to alas 11 na to slice here so that I can peel off everything on this pomelo. So this is pomelo, and I'm going to do this one to slice on here from the top to the bottom. And more up to I can peel off everything on this small pomelo. You know how much is this? Is 100 pesos. This is very small. It looks like big because it is near to my screen on my phone, but in reality this is a small size. It's just like this. The big is just like this. The big the size is just as big as this, or this is bigger, a little small, like that. And the price is 100 pesos. And this is sing-aling. I already ate it, some of this sing-aling. I consume some of this. So let us continue peeling this pomelo. Now we have to remove this way, this one, like this. Ayan. See? And all over so that we can eat. So I'm gonna get some to show you how this pomelo look like. There's another one so that we can get some of the fruit and eat it. So, let us see. Asa na ba to? pomelo of Davao. Davao is in Mindanao. I am here in Luzon. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Ayan. And then, kuha tayo ng isang piraso. To show how this pomelo look like. But I'm sure that Davao pomelo is very sweet and just like crunchy and juicy. Like this. We'll open like this. See? Look at the pulp bits of the pomelo. Now let us taste. A little dry here. Here. The juicy here. The juicy portion is here in the bottom. So, ayan. That is pomelo. Let's eat pomelo.